Hi guys, I am very excited for this makeup look. You know why? It's another shot mustache using two products that I haven't used, or one that I haven't used ever, and the other one is one that's been in my collection for a while and just kind of collecting dust in the back of the drawer. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you want to see more of these random shop my stash videos using the random generator. It's like random.org picked my makeup kind of merger. I'm really digging this, and sadly it's like too late to really go anywhere, but I kind of want to, wearing this and just seeing what people have to say, because I feel like I belong at like a dance club, like a flamenco or sort of Latin inspired club. I need to blend this out a little bit more. Anyway, if you want to find out how to create this craziness, stay tuned. Now you see me all naked faced and I look kind of juvenile, but I kind of like my face naked right now. I'm having a really good skin day. I've had really bad breakouts and kind of this dry skin type of issue with acne mixed in, so that for the most part has cleared up, so woot woot woot. Those of you who have trouble skin know my excitement there, right? Alright, so shop my stash. What products are we using? I have my handy dandy Google Doc where I have all of my random eyeshadows and things like that categorized or cataloged, and we're gonna just go and do a small palette. So going to random.org, generate a number from 1 to 35, and I got number 14. So going back, what is it? What is number 14? I know, this is exciting. It is the NYX Avant Pop palette. It is this bright palette. This is going to be fun because I love color and I'm wearing all black. I'm also going to add a little bit of pizzazz and sparkle by adding some glitter, and that goes all the way up to 33. So random.org says number 21. So going back, this is, okay, it's a random unnamed one. So this is one that I made up a name for. And this is what it looks like. It's a silver, kind of a dirty silver glitter. Using these two items, I'm going to create a random look. But I've also realized I don't have any matte shades in that palette. Go to one of my Z palettes, which has a bunch of neutral shades in here. And I'm going to use those to, you know, kind of blend some stuff down. So let's do whole face, shoulder edges. But I'm really excited because I haven't done one of these in a long time. So where shall I start? Urban Decay Primer Potion. I have not used this in a long time. I've been using my Too Faced Shadow Assurance. Poor eyes. I've been getting these little milia, which are like little cysts that look like whiteheads that pop up. I think I need to go to the dermatologist and have them remove them for me because I don't want to try removing them myself. I've tried and it hurts like you know what. And I do want to give my eyes kind of a brushing of color. If I can get these out. This is Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Rapunzel. It's a gold champagne type of shadow. I know. I'm kind of cheating because this is not in the Avant-Garde palette, or Avant-Pop, palette. But I want a nice light shadow underneath as a base to lighten everything up. And it's been a while since I've used Makeup Geek, which is a shame because I love her stuff. Well, I've got this random silver glitter. It's dirty silver, but it doesn't quite match this silver here. But it does kind of go with this black, which I feel like could be a really cool look, but I don't want to be all black. I like this lime green. This is one of the reasons I bought the palette, was for the lime green. What am I feeling? What am I feeling? I wish you guys could just yell through the screen and tell me which one to pick. Alright, let's go with green. I haven't done a green look in a while. Actually, I am going to take this into the crease, and this is not clean. Wow, this does not look good. This is really patchy. What the heck? And it has terrible fallout. Look at that, guys. It was really, I don't know what happened there. That was weird. Okay, let's try this again. Good thing I didn't apply any other makeup, but man. And that just wiped right off. So this is turning into a weird makeup look. And I'm sorry guys, I'm not editing this out because it's real life and all. But I am going to take the Makeup Geek eyeshadow off because I'm going to just do a sticky base. Alright, well that was a bust. Well, we're going to go very old school and use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk because it's in my drawer. It'll let the colors be vibrant and it's a little stickier. I hope this is not a sign of what's to come because I have lashes that I'm going to pop on in a little bit too, and it's been a hot minute since I've worn falsies, so, and I will be doing a wing liner, I'm assuming. I don't know, I grabbed my liquid liner for this look, so you get to watch me in all my glory. You know what's funny is when you do makeup on other people, you get so used to doing it a certain way, but when you go to do it on yourself, it's a little bit more challenging because you are your own canvas. You don't always see yourself in the fullest, in every angle. So when you turn your head peripherally, you don't have a full vision of yourself. Wow, my eyes look really bright. I kind of like this on its own. Can I just keep it that way? I know, I gotta use this palette. Alright, going back to this green, this dark green. Let's see if we can make it work. I'm afraid. You guys, I'm so afraid. It's a little bit better, but it's still a little patchy. But I'm gonna pull this up into the brow because it was already going in that direction. Never said this was gonna be a wearable look. Right? If you came here for a wearable look, I'm sorry, you'll be disappointed today. And because I have a slight hood, everything looks different when I open my eyes up more. Here it looks fine. Open, it's like, whoa. You guys, I had pie earlier today and it was so delicious, and I'm sad because I should have gotten a second piece to go. I went to this really good pie shop in a town near Seattle called Mountain Lake Terrace. And it's the Snohomish Pie Company, and I found them on Instagram, and they're so good. I don't care much for white chocolate, but their white chocolate strawberry cream pie just sounded amazing, and I, of course, got a slice of it, and it was so good. It was so, so good. I have such a bad sweet tooth, and it's funny, I never used to love sweets as much, but I've just really fallen in love with sweets over the last couple of years. And I think part of it is because I'm on new hormones. I am on hormone replacement therapy, and I think that might be it. Okay, they're definitely not even, but whatevs. Whatevs, we're going to just go with it. I do have this lime green, which I will use. This one's really shimmery, so I'm just going to use a little bit here on the lid. Just kind of blend it up into that line of the darker green. But yeah, going back to the sweet tooth, I think it's just because of the hormones. But yeah, I really want more pie. And I almost went and bought a slice to go, but I just thought I don't really need an extra slice of pie in one day. But now I'm regretting it so much, and I'm so sad that I don't have pie right now. So guys, I have a question for you. What is your favorite pie? We should have a conversation. You should tell me that in the comments. What's your favorite pie? Mine's a mix. I go back and forth between loving stuff like pumpkin and pecan pie to loving apple, and then in the summer months I absolutely love strawberry rhubarb. And I'm gonna brag for a second. I totally make an awesome strawberry rhubarb pie. If you're interested in that, I'd be happy to, I could probably do a video on that on my DIY channel, where I love to cook. I just uploaded a really cool video, how to make a rainbow crepe cake. Alrighty, so that's what that looks like. It's kind of fun, right? Very editorial-esque. I feel like maybe I should do some other funky color here in the middle. So I'm going to switch out my brush. What brush should I use? By the way, this brush here is a Studio Tools fluffy brush. I've been using it for years. It was one of the very first makeup brushes I ever purchased, and I got it at Target. I honestly don't know if they still sell this, but it's just so soft, and it works exceptionally well after almost 9 years. And it was like a $5 brush, not even kidding you. This next brush I'm using is a Wet n Wild one that came out of their holiday set, and they don't have a name for it, but obviously it's like a small smudgy brush. And you use the blue. Do I want to do the blue? Yes, I'm going to use the blue. That really bright sky blue. Just take a little bit of blue. But now that I've put the sticky base down, this is working so much better for me. Let's do something bold. I really love the center of the lid being this lime color, so I really don't want to change that up at all. But I also have this glitter, so I think what I'll do with the glitter is maybe pop it under the lash line. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Using a little bit of a smaller brush, I'm going to use the silver color just to give a nice base and outline for the glitter so it doesn't look just so random. And just blend that into the blue. I haven't worn a fun, colorful look like this in forever, and I'm loving it. You guys, I used to wear so much makeup, and now I'm just such a minimalist when it comes to it. I hardly ever wear makeup. And it's sad because I have so much, and I love it all, and it's not something that I just can give away. Not necessarily because of the emotional sentiment of it, but just for hygienic purposes. So if I didn't want it anymore, I'd have to throw it out, and they're like my children, my makeup art children, so it's like I can't give it away. Well, okay, my lips are dry. I'm putting on some EOS. Alrighty, I feel all editorial. Should I leave it there? Should I leave it there? Oh. Okay, just kidding. I might get some controversy over what I'm going to do next. I am feeling that orange. I feel like I should use it. That orange is calling my name. I'm going to pull out my MAC Fix Plus. So I have this like coppery orange color that's going to go here. I'm using my finger to just kind of pull that orange into that lime green so it's not such a weird transition. I'm also going to pull it upward into that darker color up here. Just kind of blend it nicely. You know what? I'm really digging this a lot. Brush from before. Just kind of soften that. Take a little teeny tiny bit of that green and then just blend a little bit more. What do you think, guys? Yay? Nay? I ate dinner already and I really want tacos too. Why do I want tacos? I just had like a quesadilla. I must be about ready to start my period or something because hello, I want sweets, I want tacos. Next I'm going to be wanting ice cream. It's just odd. This is the closest thing to a gold I have. It's more of a tan or camel type of brownish shade. I'm not going to cheat and go in and get another color, but I am going to use this just here in the center as kind of that transition between the green and the orange, just so it doesn't look so harsh. Very unique. I really like how this is turning out. I can't even tell you how many times I've done a makeup look and I think, oh, it's going to be amazing when I'm done, but then when I do finish, it's actually not as great as I thought, but I actually really like how this turned out. Much better, right? Next step is I'm taking a longer, fluffier brush. It's not the same one. This one's an Morphe M200. I'm using the light pink color here. So I'm trying to get a good representation of colors here in this look. And I'm using it to just diffuse this green a little bit on the, I got a little hair, on this upper area, just so it doesn't look so crazy harsh. And because pink and green are complementary in some ways, it'll just take some emphasis off of that green and kind of tie it in with this orange a little bit too. But it's just soft and feathery is how I want this to look. And then I'm going to take that white shadow and just kind of pop it on just for a little bit more of like a bam in your face highlight. I'm going to add just a smidge more blue on the bottom here just because I lost a little bit of it, and just kind of flicking it out. So glitter time. What am I going to do with this glitter? You can see there's some green, there's some blue and teal, and there's a little bit of orange and red. So this will be kind of an interesting take. I don't want to go heavy-handed on the glitter just because it's not my jam. I'm going to use a sponge tip because sponge tips suck and I don't care if they get broken. And the Cinema Secrets Tacky adhesive. I don't want to ruin the look, so I am going to just stick with under the eye as I said before. Let that sit for just a second here. Oh, I really like this on that blue. It brings out that blue on the bottom. And I'm going to bring just a little bit here. Actually, I've never used this glitter before. I've had it for a while. It's just one of those that's just been kind of sitting there in my drawer. And I don't wear glitter all that often anymore, but I think I should make an exception and start wearing it again, right? Because look how pretty this is. Right? Isn't that pretty? Alrighty, so next up is the liner. I got this one in an Ipsy bag, and this one is the Chiate limited edition liner. It's dual tipped, so it's got the fine tip and then it's got a stamp of a star. So I'm going to use that today. I've never used Chiate makeup, so just a nice thin line here. They're not even. One's like this and it's like, oh well. The lighting blows out my skin a little bit. My skin looks really good, but I'm going to just apply some concealer really quickly. I'm going to apply mascara, falsies, do my brows. Lashes are on. So this one's a little wonky, but whatever. It's going to have to do, right? It's been a while since I've worn falsies, as I told you. These are Morphe 415s. They're really long and wispy looking, but they're also kind of more natural. Just really long and natural, if that makes sense. I don't normally contour. I've been wearing a lot of bronzer lately, but I feel the need to contour. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Ooh, that's a little bit too much, but Kabuki will blend it. I forgot how good these smell. I just grabbed a bunch of random stuff I have not worn in a while. And this is something I have not worn in a while, to be honest. And I haven't used this brush in a while either. But now my face is going to smell like chocolate. And I really like that. My face smells so good now. Okay, just lick my face. That sounded weird. For blush, I'm using Havana by Benefit. This I haven't worn in a long time. And it's a really lovely, kind of just soft pink color. I just want a little bit of blush to give my face a little bit more color, but it's a softer pink and it's a little bit of a cooler tone pink. Shall I do highlighter, guys? For highlighter, should I? You know what? I'll just do it because why not? MAC Soft and Gentle MSF, just a little bit here. Nothing too crazy. I don't need to look all done up too much. And then for the lips, this is Dance Off Pants Off, but it's pretty similar to Candy Yum Yum, I think. Actually, it's not like Candy Yum Yum. It's similar, but it's not quite that same blue tone. But I think Candy Yum Yum would look really pretty with this. I just don't have Candy Yum Yum. And that's it. A very fun, colorful makeup look using a random palette from the back of my drawer. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me what your favorite pie is, because I'm still craving pie. I'm still regretting the fact that I did not buy a second slice to bring home. So I'm gonna just sit here and crave pie. And yeah. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stay electric as always. Bye.